Now, you're sort of just watching it, and you can see when all that material's sort of starting to move about, and so you can stop at any stage. Just get there once it's moving, get those larger stones, chuck them into a stone bucket down there, and obviously give them a wee wash first, just to make sure there's no gold on them. Now, if it's not mixing up too well, just grab a stone and give it a bit of a helping hand, like that. Just hastens the process up a wee bit. There we go, like that. And back to mixing. See, what I'm trying to do is get that gravel nice and loose, water flowing through it, and that just enables the gold. Remember I said how heavy it was? That'll work its way down to the bottom. Now, slowly start tipping the pan forward. Now, don't worry if you lose a few stones over the edge, because even with that small amount of mixing, if there was any gold there, it will be well on its way to the bottom. Now, the second thing we do is we wash it. Tip it over a wee bit further, under the water, and lift it out. Now, see when we lift it out, how we're just losing that wee bit of material over the edge, right? So does everyone see what we're doing? We're mixing to get the heavy material to the bottom, and then we're washing the lighter material off the top. Obviously to get to the heavier material, i.e. the gold. Now, once again, those larger stones come to the top, so just grab a handful, plenty of water in your pan, give them a good wash. Now, obviously, make sure you're not chucking out a nugget. If you were, you'll be jumping in there after it, or if you don't, I will, yeah. And around here, of course, it's finders keepers. So, you know, it's whoever finds it keeps it. So we're back to mixing and washing. Remove a couple more of those larger stones. Doesn't look like I've got a nugget, I know that. Probably have seen that by now. But the wee bits we get out, you've got to take it right down to the very end. We can go sideways now if you like. It doesn't really make much difference whether you go sideways or rotary. The thing is, gold is actually very easy to pan out. The problem is, it's got to be there in the first place. That's the problem. So we'll just carry on, just gently washing that off. I'll get rid of those stones there. And we'll go one final mix and one final wash, and that's when you spread it out. And it looks like I'm probably going to have to come to work tomorrow. So I can probably, well, you all saw that gold anyway, you know what we're looking for. Very easy to find or see, you know, you won't miss it. It's yellow, very high luster. Now, if you do find some and you want to keep it, you can get a vial for 50 cents, fill it with water, that tap, and this is how we tell the difference between real gold and fool's gold, right? Because we do get fool's gold. And so now, by the time we're finished here, everyone here is going to be a gold expert. You get the vial, you've got it filled right up to the top with water. Just sort of dry your finger off until you can pick the wee bit of gold up, bring it across, and the moment the bottom of your finger touches the top of the water, bang, it should go straight to the bottom. It should go down so quick, you'll think you've lost it. That's how quick it'll go down. But put the cap on, shake it sideways, and it should be there. See, fool's gold, it would just waffle its way down, or float on the top. Yeah. So that's the easiest way of telling the difference. If you had two wee pieces side by side, of course, you could just get a stone and try and crush it. Fool's gold would crush. Real gold, you can't crush gold. It doesn't matter how many times you have